a great big lion! And look at that tiny little mouse! I wonder if they're friends!
Let's tell the twins the story of the lion and the mouse.
Yeah! The lion and the mouse. The lion and the mouse. The lion and the mouse. Yeah! The lion and the mouse. One day, there was a mouse walking through the woods. She came across a big old lion.
What are you doing in my neighborhood?
The lion grabbed the little mouse, held her up high. Please, sir, let me go.
Let you go? Tell me why.
If you let me go gently, I'll help you one day, you'll see. The lion laughed out loud.
You think you can help me? You're a silly, billy, tiny little mouse. Okay, I'll set you free.
Wow, you sure are brave. Yeah! The next day, the lion was running oh so fast. Then he stepped on a big old net and was caught in a trap.
Help me, oh help me. Won't somebody help me?
The lion and the mouse. The lion and the mouse. The mouse heard a lion's roar and knew just what to do. She called her friends, they ran to the lion, grabbed the rope, and started to chew. Yum, 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 yum,
Wow, you saved me. Even though you're small, I should never have laughed at you at all.